Hello everyone, guys. Welcome back to GoPrep's channel for grade 9, and this is me, Avi Aroda, back with you people to talk about the new course that we are going to launch from 18 May onwards. Now, this is a 7 days mini course that will be launched from 18 May onwards. Particularly, if you talk about mathematics, if you talk about grade 9, the topic that we have chosen for this course is lines and angles. Now, this is the first chapter of the geometry portion of grade 9 syllabus. So, let me tell you, this chapter is going to be really important for your entire geometry portion. Now, if you are one of those students who finds that geometry is their weak part, or you find it difficult to solve geometry problems, make sure that you enroll in this course. Now, what will be discussed in this course? Moreover, who should enroll in this course, and what are the key features, key features in this course? We'll talk about all this in this particular video. So let's get started. So the chapter name is Lines and Angles. The course is master this topic in 7 days. Now what we'll be doing in 7 days is, first of all, let's talk about the features. So if we talk about the features, it's a complete package. You will get study notes, then you'll get the live interactive classes. Now what will happen in live interactive classes? I'll be taking 7 days classes with you people, particularly on the topic lines and angles, which will include the live interactive quizzes that we conduct on our GoPrep app. Now, if you have not yet downloaded the app, guys, quickly download the app to enroll into this course. Thirdly, after every class, you have to go through the class quiz. जो भी उस चैप्टर को उस दिन उस चैप्टर में बारे में पढ़ाया जाएगा, आपको उसकी क्विज अटेम्प्ट करनी है, so that you need to make sure that you have understood the topic very well. And after the 6 days of teaching, at the 7th day, we'll be conducting a chapter test to ensure that you have mastered the concept of this particular chapter. So that is the complete package we'll be providing you for this particular course. Now if I talk about कि who should enroll in these courses, किस बच्चे को enroll करना चाहिए, and what are the benefits of this course. So basically there are 4 objectives that I'm aiming to teach you guys. If you want that if you are weak in any of these things, make sure that you enroll in this course. So now this course is basically for all the students who want to build a strong foundation in ज्योमेट्री पार्ट. सिंस दिस इज द बेसिक्स ऑफ ज्योमेट्री, जो आगे ज्योमेट्री हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, उसके अंदर जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स या बेसिक थ्योरम्स यूज होंगी, वो सारी इसमें चैप्टर में, इस पर्टिकुलरली इस कोर्स में, इस चैप्टर में कवर हो जाती है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ ज्योमेट्री. सो इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड अ गुड फाउंडेशन, अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन for geometry portion, make sure that you enroll in this course. Now what else is there? Now this chapter is directly interrelated to the next chapter and even the chapters in 10th grade. So this does not just build a strong foundation for your 9th grade geometry, it's even a must requirement for 10th grade geometry part as well. अगर आपको lines and angles वाला part chapter नहीं आएगा, then you might even face problems in 10th grade as well, क्योंकि this chapter is interrelated to the course we have to do in 10th grade as well. So very important chapters, I must say, especially in geometry part. ठीक है. Now every year students tell me, sir, we face problem in proving questions in geometry. Now if you are one of those students who find it very difficult to prove theorems or to solve proving questions particularly, then this is the course. This is a must go to course to enroll in, so that you will be able to solve the proving question, especially which I have seen that all the students find it difficult. Now these are the 3 things that I have told you so far that students generally find difficult, students generally are not able to solve the questions on. Now fourth is, if you are one of those students who is looking forward to not just prepare for his school exams, and if you are one of those students who want to score not just in school exams but even want to prepare for the upcoming years. Now if you are one of those students who have already made up your mind that whether you have been taking either whether you are going to be preparing for NEET and JEE, then you must build strong basics of this chapter, which will help you in building a strong foundation for your upcoming years as well. Moreover, this is a very important chapter if we talk about competitive exams perspective. That includes NTSC and all the various kinds of Olympiads as well. Especially if we talk about Olympiads, every year there is at least one question out of the six questions. If we talk about particularly about RMO, out of the six questions, there is exactly at least one question from geometry. So a very important chapter from both foundation and even the competitive exams perspective. Now these are the four key skills that we are going to learn over here in this exam, in this particular course. Now if you want to achieve any of these skills, or if you want to build any of these skills, you should enroll in this course. Now let me just discuss what are the subtopics that we'll be discussing over here. So let me share the timeline. The first day we'll be talking about the linear pair of angles. That means it includes the the linear pair, and we'll be talking about the complementary angles. We'll be talking about supplementary angles. That means all kinds of pair of angles. The day 2 class, it includes the two kinds of line, that is intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Since these two kinds of line makes various kinds of angles between them, so this is going to be very key thing. यहाँ पर हम बहुत सारे तरह के angles के बारे में पढ़ेंगे when the lines intersect with each other. Next is transversal. Now this might be a new word for you people. So हम जानेंगे कि transversal क्या होती है, और ट्रांसवर्सल जब दो पैरेलल लाइंस को इंटरसेक्ट करती है तो उसमें क्या तरह के एंगल्स फॉर्म होते हैं, एंड व्हाट्स द रिलेशन बिटवीन दोस एंगल्स. दिस विल बी डे 3. नाउ डे 4 इज एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. सबने बचपन से पढ़ा होगा कि यार एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, दैट सम ऑफ ऑल द इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180. नाउ व्हाई इज दैट थिंग ट्रू, उसके बारे में विल ट्राई टू प्रूव दिस एंड विल इवन सॉल्व वेरियस क्वेश्चंस ऑन this property particularly. Now as I've told you, it's a very important chapter with perspective, with competitive exam perspective, even NTSC and Olympiads. So I'll show you what kind of question generally comes from this particular chapter, and what are the subtopics we need to do apart from the NCERT, so that we can solve the questions even in foundation, even in competitive exams. Okay, so we'll be discussing all the kinds of questions that we need to cover in order to prepare well for the competitive exams as well. And as usual, day 6 is dedicated to doubts. Now in this particular day, I'll talk about all the doubts you might have faced during these first 5 days, and we'll be discussing, and I will be finishing off this chapter at a good note, that to make sure that you have understood all the concepts properly. Now this course not just includes these live classes, it has lots of features that I've already told you. So guys, let's do not waste any more time. Quickly go to GoPrep app, log into the GoPrep app, and you will see the tab named by courses, and quickly enroll into this course, because there are limited seats and there are lots of students have already applied for this one. So I hope I hope you have understood what this course is all about, and I think you'll be able to better figure out by yourself after watching this video whether you need to enroll into this or not. So that's all from my side. This is me, Abhi Arora, signing off. See you guys. Bye bye everyone.